Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80248014 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection speed, because if the internet connection is not working, then nothing will work. Go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed here. The next solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. And the last solution is to reset Windows Update components. This solution will definitely fix the problem. So we have a script for you. I have shared it in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, now I'll tell you what this does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. Then it will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. And then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.